Knife Heads. How's it going? I know this channel is based on knives, but if any of y'all watch NASCAR, the last lap, let me tell you, the last lap was a joke. Austin Dillon, he come in there, he did his interview, and he said he left it in fifth gear, and he throttled up to hit Joey Logano in the 22 car and spin him out. And then when Denny Hamlin, you see, my guy Denny Hamlin, passed him, he was 200 yards from the start finish line, and he took his car like this and clipped him. Well, he clipped him in the right side. He smashed into the wall. That is not racing. That is just doing what you got to do to win. I get it. But that's not good sportsmanship. No. That is just BS. You wrecked two guys that was better than you to win. And then I watch a lot of YouTube channels about NASCAR. You know, NASCAR people that reports, and everybody's comparing him to Dale Earnhardt. Okay, guys. Yes, when I was growing up, I really liked Dale Earnhardt too. He was my favorite, and that was in the 1990s. It's 2024. You cannot compare someone to this day because he drives the number 3 car to Dale Earnhardt in the 1990s. They just don't do, no. He's been in the NASCAR series for what, 10, 11 years now, and only won 5 times? Come on now. He's nothing like Dale Earnhardt. It just kills me, man. Everybody wants to compare him to somebody that's dead and gone just because he drives for the same owner and the same number. That's his grandpa that owns the team. Come on. That's the only reason he's still in the damn car. He was 32nd in points to a 36 field team. It's got me heated. Now, if anybody stuck around this last 3 minutes, listen to me gripe about NASCAR, I want to say thank you to Aaron over at AW Customs. He made me this slip. It's got my initials, EDS. It's blue. I had him to make it for the knife in it. It's got a belt clip. I thought that would be pretty neat to have a belt clip on it. But like I was saying in the last video, I don't think I'm going to keep this knife in it. I got another one coming better than this one. But it ain't showed up yet. I had this, and I had to try his slip out. I just want to say thank you to Aaron. It's got his little logo right there. He did a great job on this. I love it, man. Thank you. But anyways, it's got this coat cutter, GEC single blade. Y'all know what that blade is. Everybody loves it. The Spey blade. It's got half stops. It's got everything you want. It's got micarta handles, blue denim, 394124. So this is a 2024 39 pattern, single blade. Coat cutter. Watch it. It fits right in there just the way I like it. No knife showing. It snaps right to my pocket. Perfect. I love it. And then I'm also carrying the JO Venture slip. With the Greenbone 72 GEC. This is a 2023 721123 GEC 72 model. It's a lockback. Greenbone. This is my first or second GEC I've ever got. But it is green, buddy. I know this phone here, it don't show nothing. For some reason it gets dark. I don't get it. But I'm gonna get a new one here in a day or so. But today was a GEC day and a ramble about NASCAR. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, I was wanting to talk about the giveaway. I had a few setbacks. I thought something else was coming in, and it ain't quite made it yet. So I'm going to wait on announcing until it gets here. And then when it gets here, I will put up a video of the winner. I'm sorry, guys. I know I said Sunday. It's supposed to have been here Monday, but it didn't show up. Hopefully it comes today. If it does, it'll be out tomorrow, the winner. So, just have a little patience. I've had a few people asking me who won, and nobody yet. That's coming hopefully tomorrow. But, y'all, stay classy. You hear?